So you want to know how to prank?
Here is 10 April Fool's pranks that you could do this April Fool's at your house.
Hey, can I be in the video?
No, get out! Okay, this is the golf ball Tesla prank. So,
You don't need a Tesla to do this. What we really need is this little golf ball that's cut in half.
and this is the shattered glass. So we'll take it off. We'll show you what it does. But this will go right here. You can put it anywhere you want, and then the golf ball goes in the middle. So let me take it off.
Find a nice car to do it to. You want a good reaction. Maybe even a police car.
That'd be a good one. Okay, so then it goes like that. It'll all air out just like this. So now that you got all of the bubbles out, it literally looks like the glass is shattered. Then you will take the final piece, which is the golf ball, which you can use to get the bubbles out as well. You put the golf ball right in the middle, and look at that. It looks like someone was swinging for the fences, and they swung to get a hole in one.
My car!
And they got your car.
My Tesla! You know what's really good though? They're probably gonna like realize it's a prank by the time they walk up on it. But from like 10 feet away, they're gonna see this. And they're gonna be like, no!
And their heart's gonna start pounding really fast. And as long as you have them for like 10 to 12 seconds, that's a prank. Right?
Yeah.
Right, this is the EGG prank. What you do is you actually get some of these. These are from Easter, okay? These are plastic eggs, but they look so real, okay? What you're going to do, I already did this one here, but I'm going to show you what to do, is you actually take an egg, okay? And you're going to just cut the tip of the egg off like this, okay?
Careful, Chase.
Carefully. Watch your thumb. There you go. You have a nice looking
cool,
egg.
man.
Look at that.
Good job.
Yeah, thanks a lot, man.
I like it.
I worked hard, okay? All right, then what you do, this is kind of gross, but you got to empty out all your eggs, okay? Now, Dennis, hand me an egg there, please.
Egg.
All right? Now, crack a real egg into the glass, okay? Now, what we're going to do is actually, you don't want to swallow the egg, all right? I'm just going to hold it in my mouth and then let it spit. I'll spit it in.
He's dedicated to the prank.
Yeah, that's a good prank. Here you go, ready?
Oh. Oh. The egg is now. Oh, we got a little spillage. Get
Yep,
happy.
it cracked in there. It didn't crack it. The yolk broke. Okay.
But now the egg is inside the fake egg.
So look at this.
Got it.
How perfect is that?
So,
all right.
So what do we do next?
Okay. Now you've seen the people lift up the cup and stuff just goes everywhere, right? Kind of like what you guys just did with the coffee cup. You know, stuff goes everywhere. Same thing, but what we're going to do now is take this egg and it goes right here in the carton. I'm going to put some pressure there, turn it over, and look at that. That carton's going to hold the egg up in there.
Look at that. Show 'em.
All right, we'll dry it off.
You don't see any of the yolk. Oh, that's dangerous.
Now, it's more or less like a little egg roulette. Is that
Egg
what you
roulette.
said? Yeah.
EGG prank.
So eventually somebody's going to pull these. Just make sure you don't pull them. These are really cool eggs. Like you can probably get them after Easter, really cheap. But look how good they look.
So when they go to open their eggs, which one is the real one or the fake one? I don't know. But whenever they go pick one up, oh,
Do that one.
that's so cool.
Oh, they are going to be so mad.
On April Fool's Day, do this to like your mom or your sister because they're gonna go.
They're like, Jason, get out here!
I love
That's
that.
great. Ain't that awesome?
Why don't you just go ahead and eat it up? Get a spoon.
Yeah. And there you go, the EGGG.
All right, I got some hot coffee for you. Here you go. Oh. This is the coffee cup prank. Check it out. All right, so you want to get like a brown cloth or napkin. You're going to fold it up, right, like a little square, something that's going to fit inside the coffee cup. You're not trying to sell it that it's coffee, but you just want to give us an illusion that there's something there. Make sure the handle's real small so that whatever you put in there, it's not going to drop the cup. It's going to hold the cup, just like that. What you're gonna do is put it on a plate, go to somebody on April Fool's, and offer them a hot cup of coffee. And as you go to give it to them, drop it. It does think the coffee's gonna fall, but you're catching it, nothing's coming out. The best April Fool's prank to pull on your friends and family.
Okay guys, so for prank number 4, all you will need is a napkin or a piece of paper, a coffee mug, some cereal, and some Ready Whip or whipped cream. So what you will need to do is put the cereal in the mug like this. So you can see it just like that, and then just get all this out of the way so they won't see it, okay? And then now you put the napkin over it like this. You turn it upside down. Oh, shoot. And then you just whip it out like that. Okay, now this is the final effect. You'll put some whipped cream on it just like that. And if you ask me, if I walked up to this, wouldn't this look like a regular coffee cup?
I love it, man. Hey, would you like some coffee? Why, certainly I would. Thank you so much. Oh!
It'll be 8 a.m. in the morning. You offer them coffee. They're tired. They want their coffee. And then they just get cereal in the table.
And the best part is it's not as messy as like water. So it's an easy cleanup. Just make sure they clean it up. I love this one, dude. You know what another good idea for this one is? You don't even have to put cereal in there at the bottom. Just have it upside down. Because they're gonna think like there's a coffee in there or hot chocolate or whatever they're doing, and then when they pick it up to go drink it, they literally just
in your face!
cream their face! April Fool! That's pretty good. Pretty good!
Okay, this is the crack screen prank. Take it away.
All right, this is really easy. I actually got these at the dollar store, okay? Now, we figured this out. You don't want to bend it, okay? You want to take a hammer outside on the concrete, and you're going to hit it about 3 times right there like that. It'll crack really good, okay? Now, when somebody is away, have this in your pocket, prepared all the time. When somebody's away, with their phone on the table, you peel it off. This goes right on top of their phone like this, okay? Look at that.
Oh,
Look how good
yeah.
that looks.
Oh,
then they
my.
turn it on. Look at that. All right. So what you're actually going to do is you just turn it over, and when they come back, they're going to flip it over and see how cracked it is like this. All right. We actually got a live video. We're going to show that to you right now.
What you just did by phone. Are you kidding me?
Did it actually crack? Oh, come on.
Did you crack that or just the screen? You got a screensaver on there?
I thought you were playing a joke on me here.
She dropped it. She dropped
Can't
it.
give her nothing, man. She breaks everything. You guys did that. Let me peel that off.
Got you again.
That's good.
I need it back.
Fine now.
Apologize to me.
So there it is. This really works. Got him really well. That was my father. But really good prank. You cannot beat this for $1.
One of my favorite pranks. It's literally $1. Nothing else you do is that and a hammer, or if you don't have a hammer, you can use a rock.
Where
hit
did
it
you
with a
buy
rock.
this though?
At the dollar store.
Dollar General?
The dollar store.
Dollar store.
Tree. Dollar
For
Tree.
$1.
All right. This is the Cupcake tartar sauce April Fool's prank.
That's so gross. But
Yeah.
what you're gonna do is you're gonna carefully cut this packaging, right? Carefully, because we're gonna reuse it. And you're gonna slide out this cupcake ever so gingerly possible. Now, we're gonna remove the cupcake filling. All right, so now I'm gonna just get like a little knife or scissors
Yeah.
or something.
And you want to make sure you keep the top of this too, because you're going to be placing that back on there.
There we go. We got the bottom part out. We're just doing a little cupcake surgery
Ooh,
with
yeah.
Dr. Rhodey.
Oh yeah. Ooh, let me have this. Let me
So
have
now remove that center goodness. There you go. Okay, get a little
Ooh, yummy.
prank dessert there.
Right.
Okay, and now,
Take 2 of them.
okay, we got 2 of them ready. What
Yeah.
we're gonna do is take that tartar sauce. Oh my gosh! Maybe give me that spoon.
It should just squeeze in there.
Yeah, but oh, that even stinks like fish.
Ooh.
Now what you're gonna do is just gonna squeeze that tartar sauce right in there. Oh,
Yummy. Don't fill it all the way, because remember, you got to put this piece of cake back on
well,
there.
let's see what happens when we do. I might put a little bit too much.
And it'll help hold it. Perfect.
Yeah, I'll do this one too.
Maybe don't put too much. I think I put too much in. Cause yeah, I can't get a good seal.
Okay, here, try this.
Let me carefully remove some of this tartar sauce.
There's a good one. Look at that.
This is like a science experiment.
Eat that, would you?
Okay, there we go. Boom. Would you like to buy the tartar sauce? You take that little plate, you're gonna put it right there, slide it back in the packaging. Okay, we got it in. Whoa! We are just getting closer and closer to the execution. Now, the trick to sealing this is, if you got one of those sealers, that's great. If not, then carefully get a lighter. And what you're gonna do is bring that like this, and you're just gonna slowly melt the edges. We're welding the plastic. Now, it's sealed. Oh, would you like a cupcake? It's delicious.
Yeah.
And the cool part of these cupcakes, they have this little plate on the bottom, so it kind of helps seal the trap.
Mm-hmm.
Just make sure your cameras are rolling when they take that first bite, because I don't think they're gonna get past 2 or 3 before they go.
Hey, we should try it on brand.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Okay.
Oh, what a tough day. Oh, cupcakes! Oh my gosh, I love these. These are the new limited edition ones. These are so good. Oh my gosh. That's bad. That's bad.
Now, my favorite April Fool prank is the April Fool original spider scare box. It comes out when someone opens it, the spider's there. It's super freaky and it works every single time. Hey, I got a gift card for you. Hey, there's some money in here. Hey, I found this outside and there was like money in there. Is this yours? And when they go to open it, boom, the spider comes out. Now, don't get caught up getting this little cheap one. This one right here, look at the difference. You can get it on Amazon. They sell these all the time. This is the original, the real deal. These are the fakes. These are the ones, the copycats. Looks like, oh.
We had to super glue it because it keeps breaking and it won't stay still. If you look inside the box, there's glue everywhere. But this one that we got at prankkits.com, look at this one. It's a bigger box too, so you get a better scare effect, and there's nothing like wrong with this one.
It will drop, it will withstand. This
Look at
one sucks. It doesn't come out very well, and it's cheap. So you'll see this on Amazon.com, and you'll see the big pictures of this one because they're the copycats. They take our pictures, but they send you this. So
Don't fall for that.
It's up to you to get what you want. Plus, this thing looks like suspicious as anyways. Like, I don't know. I don't like this one. Doesn't even come out. We have our fulfillment center located in Charlotte, North Carolina, that will send it directly to you.
Okay, by the time you're watching this video right now, if you order this spider box today, you will get the spider box this week. And hey, Easter is coming up too, so that's 2 pranks. April Fool's and Easter prank.
And you know my favorite thing to do with this thing is put gift cards in it. And it's a gift card box. So you gift it, wrap it up, someone opens it, they're like, ah! And then there's a gift card inside. It's the best. Spider scare box. prankkits.com, links in the description. So I'm gonna give you a quick little 1-minute update to catch you up on what's been happening with the channel.
3, 2, 1, 1 minute starts now.
I found my phone, it was lost in the couch, and I figured out my password, and I was able to log back in, and now here we are. We're making some videos. April Fool's is coming up, so go to prankkits.com, get yourself this, and you're gonna be seeing a lot of Brad.Smith. That's him on TikTok, that's him on Instagram. I met him 3 years ago when my son was going through the cancer battle and all that stuff. We're doing so good now. Thank you so much for all the positive messages. But I met Brad there and his family, and they're awesome. You'll see Jason kind of looks like me a little bit. But they have their TikTok, Jason the Great 777, Brad.Smith. They're blowing up on Snapchat. They got that spotlight money, and they got the TikTok, they got the Instagram, and they do a lot of magic tricks, pranks. They really fit well with this channel, so I'm gonna bring him in, and he's gonna be in a lot of videos. Even if I'm not able to make it that day or be in the full video, I'm gonna try to be in a lot of them, but I still wanna get the channel uploading videos again. So we're gonna be back, we're gonna be working together. And I love him, I love this, they're like family to me. So, welcome Brad.Smith, Jason the Great 777, his little brother Lucas.
He'll be the cameraman, yes.
He'll be the cameraman, and we're just gonna like collaborate and team up on this channel. I hope you like it, give it a thumbs up, leave some comments below, let us know what you think, and make sure you go follow them on TikTok, Instagram, all that. 1 minute? Maybe a little bit over?
A little bit over, maybe 10 seconds over, yeah.
But I'm excited that these guys and their family were here to support me and this channel, especially when I was going through that crazy time, but now we're to the good time. So they're gonna be bringing a lot of synergy and energy back to the channel. We'll be uploading a lot more. How often are we gonna upload them?
That's a good question. I want you guys to comment down below how often you want to see prank videos and how-to videos. It's either 1 or 2 times a week, every single week for the rest of, I don't know, 10 years?
But wait a minute, on their TikTok, they do a lot of magic tricks, magic pranks, challenges. Like, it doesn't just have to be only how-to prank. But
Yeah, like, if you guys want some challenges, yeah, whatever you guys want, just comment. Like, if you guys want to see us do a egg roulette where we have empty eggs and smash the eggs on our head, we could do an egg roulette. It's whatever you guys want. So just comment, let us know. We read every comment. We're going to be responding to every single comment on this video as well.
So 1 or 2 videos a week. Let us know in the comments below. Thumbs up the video and outro coming next.
All right, thanks so much for watching these April Fool's pranks. Let us know down in the comments which one you like best.
And yes, if you see that big red subscribe button, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And hey, if you want extra good luck, turn the bells on. And if you want some of your pranks to be reposted on Instagram, all of our Instagrams are going to be tagged down below in the description. All you have to do is tag us and follow us, and we're going to be reposting our favorite pranks.
Right.
Thanks so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Live inspired.
Shock the world.
See you next time. Oh well.
Stupid lawnmower.
Do it again.
You lied the whole time. That's awful.